Evaluate integral of sin inverse x whole square dx. Here we put t is equal to sin inverse x. So x is equal to sin t. And differentiating both the sides we get dx is equal to cos t dt. Therefore, our question becomes integral of sin inverse x is t. So sin inverse x whole square is t square and dx is cos t dt. Now to integrate this, we use the method of integrating by parts. That is, when we have integral of first into second function, that is equal to first into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second. Here t square is the first function and cos t is the second function. So this is equal to first function into integral of second, that is integral of cos t minus integral of derivative of first is derivative of t square, which is 2t, into integral of second function, that is cos t dt. Again integral of 2t into integral of cos t dt, that is equal to t square integral of cos t dt is sin t minus integral of 2t into sin t dt. In the next step, t square sin t minus 2 can be taken out from the integration. So 2 times integral of t sin t dt. Again we have a product here, t into sin t. So we will use the same method, integrating by parts. Again keeping the first function as t and second function as sin t. So the next step is equal to t square sin t minus 2 into first function into integral of second function, that is integral of sin t dt minus integral of derivative of first function. So derivative of t is 1 into integral of sin t dt. That is equal to t square sin t minus 2 into t integral of sin t is minus cos t minus integral sin t is minus cos t dt. That is equal to t square sin t minus 2 into t into minus cos t is plus 2t cos t. Now minus 2 into minus of integral of minus cos t is minus 2 sin t plus c. That is equal to, at the beginning we have substituted as t is equal to sin inverse x and x is equal to sin t. Therefore t square is sin inverse x whole square and sin t is x plus 2 into t is sin inverse x and cos t is, see x is equal to sin t, so cos t is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. So into square root of 1 minus x square minus 2 into sin t is x plus c. So our answer is x into sin inverse of x whole square plus 2 times square root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse x minus 2x plus c.